to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe,
Face TV Muswobi.
Actually, we were inside the office when we had the sound. Our office is same compound with where the helicopter fell. So we rushed outside when we heard the sound. Rushing outside, the gate was locked. The landlady was not around. So we tried forcing it inside so that we can really see what's really going on inside. When we were forcing it, some people had to go through the fence. They were able to open the gate and we went inside. And the first guy that was rescued was inside kind of around something, and actually was still living though. So the second guy was really not, must have gone. But the third guy inside was hooked underneath, under the helicopter, and we tried to, lift it up, and we were able to bring the guy out. That was what really happened.
Well, the incident occurred at 12 noon. We activated our emergency response plan in Lagos State, and all the key stakeholders that are important in managing emergency moved to the scene. And with the combined efforts, we are able to rescue one alive, and the one is receiving adequate treatment at our Lagos State Teaching Hospital. Well, we sympathize to the beloved ones that lost their beloved ones. We recovered 2 bodies, and if you look at the impact, it was due to the impacts effects on these people, and their bodies were deposited in the mortuary. However, it is pertinent to note that our operation was swift, prompt, effective, and efficient. despite the fact that the incident occurred in a densely populated area, in a residential area, and there's a lot of pour of aviation fuel. We are able to prevent secondary complications such as fire, and our crowd control is well perfected. It was led by the Commissioner of Police and his team. They really assisted us on the crowd control. And the most beauty of all this is that after we have done the rescue, we commence the investigations immediately by inviting the AIB, NCAA, and the NEMA. The AIB and its stakeholders have carried out their investigations, preliminary investigations. We are now moving direct to their compound. And you can see also that we've done the debriefing about what is going on. We are moving to the last phase. And the last phase is this. We are going to fumigate that area. We are going to ensure the safety of the people in this area. We appeal to the people living here to cooperate with us. And in a short while, in less than 1 hour, we will commence fumigation. However, we are going to subject all these buildings to integrity tests. Investigation is still ongoing. All what we did it under the watch of Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Shola Sanwo-Olu. We appeal to the people of Lagos State that they need to remain calm, cool, and collected, that they have a viable agency that is, everything is under control.
subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.